Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few days worth of time, it's actually just the past basically day and a half broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And as a reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, sure, the chart may look a little bit different, but my goal here is to keep this video relevant for you as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so the general levels, and then walking you through a couple questions to ask yourself that'll really kind of tell you just the current status of things. But quite straightforward right now. Yeah, a couple of days ago is when that big move happened. But the big question that you need to ask yourself, so we'll just go with, you're watching this 17 hours from now. So 17 hours from now, ask yourself, well, where is the price at relative to 43 cents, which is being denoted there by that green line. 73 or 43 cents is very, very important because that's the level that's telling us whether or not the price is actually making progress or not. And progress is the name of the game, right? Because from a general sense, as long as a price movement is making progress in the upwards direction, then that implies that the move is bullish, right? If the price goes back to where it was, well then, truly strong moves don't go back, right? That's a total contradiction. And that's what 43 cents is representing. I'm not saying this were to occur, but let's say you're watching this, like I said, 17 hours from now, and you're answering that the price is down below 43. Well, think about that. If it's down below 43, let's say down around 40, 41, and you correspond that with over here, well, that's implying that the price is literally gone right back to where it started before that big move happened. And once more, going back, that's just not a sign of any sort of true strength. That's a total contradiction. Whereas if you're answering the question that the price is still up above 43 cents, no matter where that is, heck, let's say that, the price is down around here somewhere and you're watching it and it's still above 43. Well, at that point in time, the bulls still have the opportunity to build a higher base. That would imply that the lowest is gone is there. And then you look right there and you look right there and you visualize those as stair steps. And yeah, the stair steps are still clearly heading in the upwards direction. So it's not like it's got to be way up at 50 cents or anything for the chart to be bullish. At this point, it's all just a matter of showing signs of progress and showing that the bulls have digested the gains in the upwards direction. And so far, so good. Sure, right here, I get it. Not the most exciting action after such an explosive time. But think about where this quote-unquote boring price action is happening. It's happening up here. Where's the last time it was boring? Well, down here. And again, you look at this boring period compared to that boring period, and clearly the consolidation areas are getting higher and higher. So that's what you want to see going forward. So sure, today, not the most exciting thing, but the bulls do still have an opportunity at progress. So yeah, just stay up above 43 cents and progress remains in the bulls' favor. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.